Want to delete your Facebook account in 2025? Here's a simple guide. Open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the menu bar, 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Tap See More in the Account Center section. Tap Personal Details, then select Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select your account name, then click Delete Account. Tap Continue to proceed. Now, choose a reason for deleting your account and click Continue. Click Continue again, then continue one more time. Enter your Facebook password. Tap Continue and then click on Delete Account to finalize. That's it. Your Facebook account is now deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.